Now we are solving previous year question papers. This is October 2022 question paper. Question number 1. We have show that determinant of 1a bc, 1b ca, 1c ab is equal to b minus c, c minus a into a minus b. So first we will consider the left hand side. Consider LHS. This is 1a bc, 1b ca, 1c ab. In the problem it is given as b minus c, c minus a. So how to get this value? When we perform row operation, means second row minus third row, we get 1 minus 1 means it is 0, b minus c. Similarly c minus a means r3 minus r1, third row minus first row. So we get c minus a, 1 minus 1 is 0. So we will perform second row r2, r2 minus r3. Now r2 first term 1, r3 first term 1. So it is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. r2 second term b, r3 second term c. So this is b minus c. Keep as it is. Next we have r2 third term ca, r3 third term ab. So r2 third term ca minus ab. So from here we can take a common, so it becomes c minus b, but in the solution, in the answer it is given as b minus c. So when I take minus a common, it becomes b minus c. So take minus a common, it becomes b minus c. Okay. Similarly, performing third row r3 minus r1, r3 first term 1, r1 first term 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now r3 second term c, r1 second term a. So r3 c minus a, c minus a. Next r3 third term ab, r1 third term bc, ab minus bc. So from here we have to write ca. So when I take minus b common, it becomes c minus a. So take minus b common, it is c minus a. So here we will write our determinant is this given value we are writing. This is 1a bc, 1b ca, 1c ab. Left hand side keep as it is equal to, on the right hand side first row we have to write as it is 1a bc, 1a and this is bc. In place of second row, instead of writing 1b ca, we will write 0 b minus c minus a into b minus c, 0 b minus c, and this is minus a into b minus c. Okay. Similarly, in the third row we will write 0 c minus a minus b into c minus a, 0 this is c minus a minus b into c minus a. Now from second row b minus c we can take common, from third row c minus a we will take common. So it becomes 1a bc, 1b ca, 1c ab is equal to, from second row it is b minus c. From third row we are taking c minus a common. Now first row 1a b c, second row this is 0. When I take this term outside it becomes 1. Here it is minus a, and this term is 0, 1, and here it becomes minus b. Okay. Now we have to make this value is equal to 0. So we will write, performing third row, R3 minus R2. R3 first term is 0. R2 first term is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Next we have 1. R3 second term 1. R2 second term 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. R3 third term minus b. Minus b, and this is minus a. So minus of minus a. So minus into minus plus a. So we will write positive value first. Minus a and b. So it becomes 1a b c, 1b c a, 1c a b is equal to, here we have b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a. Now 1a b c, first row keep as it is, 1a b c, second row also 0 1 minus a, 0 1 minus a, and third row, in place of third row we will write 0 0 a minus b, 0 0, and this is a minus b. Okay. Now this is our diagonal. In the properties of determinant we have learnt when the elements which are lying below the diagonal or above the diagonals are equal to 0, then the product of the diagonal element is the determinant value. Okay? We have learned this property in determinants. So we will write the this is our diagonal. Below the diagonal we have 0 0 0. So we will take this product 1 into a minus b. Page number 7. This is 8. One A B C, 1B C A, 1C A B is equal to, already we have b minus c, c minus a. When we apply the property we get the product of the determinant 1 into a minus b, which is the required answer. Here we get 1a b c, 1b c a, 1c a b is equal to b minus c, c minus a. 1 into 1 1. 1 into a minus b is a minus b.